Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey, how you doing? So, thanks to you guys, to the P-poppers out there, the Philippines out there, and the SB19 fans who introduced me to the world of P-pop. I really do appreciate it. One person gave me a recommendation to listen to the Malaysian girl group called Dala, and now I'm back to P-pop with this group called BGYO, and this is a music video to the song The Light. And I was like, interesting. Come through P-pop, giving SB19 a run for their money. With your new light's immense power, your light can change the world. Go back. Go back. Within you lies immense power. Your light can change the world. Yes. Come through with a transition. Yeah.
Just need to follow the light. You know how it is.
What?
Okay.
They better give K-pop boys a run for their money. Ooh. Come on with that teardrop in the eye. Yeah. Dun 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 dun. Hey. Dun dun. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
You can come see me looking up, another level.
Oh, I like him.
This is my place to shine, they call me a trendsetter. Time for me to take a stand, keep on running to the end. Don't look back, don't be afraid, I'll be that star like.
Oh, with the edits. Father the lights. Dune, prison power. Dun da 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 da. Dun da 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 da. Na 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 na.
Ating pangako hindi magbabago patungo sa ating kapayapaan. Sa gitna ng dilim ang ilaw ay susundan. Ang bituin ay kaya nating abutin.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yeah. BGYO, a P-pop group, Philippines. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was just scrolling through YouTube and I saw BYG and I saw other people reacting to it. I'm like, BGYO. Seen them reacting to BGYO and I was like, BGYO, who is this? a P-pop group, a Philippine boy group. I was like, let me react to them to see what they're about. I am here for it. I am here for it. Give these K-pop and J-pop boys a run through their money. I am here for it. That, guys, that was BGYO, a new Philippine group. That was a music video to the song The Light. Please go watch it. So much people's coming out. So much people's coming out. I also want to say that I want to thank to the ones who bring me and who basically introduced me to the P-pop and M-pop, Philippines pop and Malaysia pop. I really do like it. Thank you so much. For everybody else, whatever you want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.